Hey friends, Wayne Brown, the Ram Man. I wanted to show you this friend of mine's. This is a 2013 Dodge. And of course, what do you see there? My goodness. We see locking hubs on a 2013 Dodge. Isn't that interesting? Of course, we've got it jacked up. Hey, free? Wow, look how free that spins. Amazing things happening. Yeah, drive shafts aren't turning. Let's lock our hub. Interesting. Now our axle's locked. Full-wheel drive. And two-wheel drive. Never seen that on a Dodge truck since 2000. Not a full-wheel drive. Helpful videos at ramman.com. 817-691-5996. Thank you. God bless you. God bless America.